Welcome everybody. Today we got a Tauntaun. Notice when I set it down, I don't know if it's going to show up. Got some yellowing along the seam here. I don't want to go through the trouble of trying to get the saddle back on, so I'm just going to clean around it. Sort of trying. It was, whenever I put it on, I found it and put it on. When I found the Tauntaun, it was off there, and it was a bit of a pain in the neck to get reattached. It just, I guess my fingers aren't as nimble as they used to be back in the day. Give them a good wipe down here. Of course, to me, one of the cool things about the Tauntaun was it actually had a place to put the figure's legs on the inside, so it looked, looking at it now, it doesn't really look that impressive, but in the day, that looked really good. Let's see, posable, arms and legs. Of course, the tail and the rest of the body is solid. Get focus on its face instead of on there. It's, tusks or whatever you want to call it. They're horns, but they're not tusks. They're out of his mouth. They were, around his head. Sort of. I always thought they were cute little critters. Like I say, it's spring-loaded door still works. Still got the saddle. I can't believe this thing hadn't just dry rotted to pieces, but it actually feels still relatively supple. It doesn't feel. Sometimes this rubber plastic stuff feels like it's just going to fall apart, and this really does feel solid. My dog, at one point back in the day, got a hold of it. Let's see what we got. In Hong Kong, I think so. There, 1979. There they are, markings on it there. Oh, that's, let's say the yellowing, it goes all the way around the seam, so it must have been the glue or something they use. It's got that discoloration going on. But, that's about all I got to say about him. That's the Tauntaun. I liked it. It was a fun little toy. I enjoyed playing with Luke and Han, and I'd put everybody in these things. It didn't matter if they drove him in the movie or not. They got to ride it. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. We're going to keep going for quite a while yet. See you next time.